सर्जिओ लोबेराच्या मार्गदर्शनाखाला FC गोवाची तयारी पेजात जाल्या असे गोंयचे प्लेयर सांगतात। तंत्रिकी रितीन प्लेयर नवे गजाली शिकल्यात आणि तांची उर्बा वाढल्या। ब्रँडन फर्नांडीस आणि मंदार राव देसाय अंदू पेजात खेळ करून भारतीय पंगडात जागो मेळोवपाचो यत्न करतले। पंगडात उमेदीचे वातावरण आसा असे लोकल प्लेयर सांगतात। पळयात पुराय प्रॅक्टिस ब्रेस्तारा 7 आणि शुक्रारा 10 वरांचेर।
He has his own philosophy, he has his tactics, and he has a plan for the team. So he gives every player a role to play, and we have to do that on the pitch. And whenever we have the ball, we are free. We can do whatever we want, like in order to help the team. So that's he gives us a free role to play, and he gives us freedom to play. So that's the most important thing, and we do what we can do on the field.
So what's your role?
My role is attacking. When I get the ball, try to penetrate more and get bit behind the lines.
Right. We've seen you playing in the central position, I think in the first friendly here against East Bengal, and then you switched to the flank positions?
It depends. It depends on the coach, wherever he wants me to play. It depends on the other foreigners also, because we have two foreigners who can play in the middle also. So we keep changing our roles, we keep changing the positions, and it really helps the team, because the opponents also get difficult to mark us. I'm really looking after myself, and hopefully there are no injuries for me anytime soon. I can continue my good run, and hopefully be in the Indian team as well.
The preparations have been going very well. We are really waiting to start this season, and we are waiting for the first game and for the first 3 points.
How are you feeling personally about the overall pre-season this year?
Yeah, this pre-season has been started very well in Spain. We have been training for 3 weeks in Spain. It was really great working under this new coach, and we have learned a lot of new things. So coach have been trying his best to play the foreigners and the combination with Indian players, and I think he have been up to the mark now, because the stadium is about to start in 2-3 days. I think so you will see the first team in 2-3 days.
You also played in a couple of different positions that you didn't before. We saw you playing in the left back position as well. So how your role have changed this season?
Yeah, coach has have been telling me that you can play in different positions. Before I used to play as a left winger, but coach personally came to me and said you can also play as a left back and try. It is not you can do mistakes, you can do different kind of things in this position. Might be it will click and you will be better player.
And how do you find out, how do you feel now that you have played in a different position? How was your experience?
Yeah, I've been playing this position for 2-3 games, and yes, I think so for the last 2-3 games I've been really good. Coach also said that you have now that how you can play in this position, and yes, I also feel better that I can play in this position. I think I will perform better, and then I have to play in the national team. This is the
right.
पहिले ऑल गोवा पुलीस कप बीच व्हॉलीबॉल सर्तीच्यो फायनली रातीं जाल्यो। चलयांच्या गटांत क्रिस्टी डायस स्टेफी फर्नांडीस जोडी वस्ताद थारली। तांणी पूजा सिंग आनी प्रेरणा पाल सिंहाक 21-12, 21-7 अशें सरळ सेटांनी मारली। ही सर्त मिरामार बिचार जाली।
जर्सी नंबर 1
7-4. Well smashed by jersey number 1.
Barisa 6-7 score.
बहुत बड़ा संघर्ष जारी है, एक पॉइंट के लिए। बहुत ही बड़ा बॉल निकाला, स्मैश मारने की कोशिश, डिफेंस हो गया।
दादल्यांचे बीच व्हॉलीबॉल सर्तीत ओम शिव मेर्सेचे राम धावस्कार आणि अनिल शिरोडकार जिखले। फायनलीत तांणी गोवा पुलीस टीमीचे प्रल्हाद धावस्कार आणि नितीन सावंताक 21-16, 21-15 हरयले।
Well served by Pappu. 3 all. Service continue 3-all. Well placed by jersey number 2. Point to Goa Police. One love. Jersey number 1 to serve. One love. Point to Goa Police. One love. Prahlad to serve. Good. Well smashed by jersey number 2. Point to Goa Police.
Good place. Good defense.
Good place.
Jersey number 1 from Goa Police. Prahlad. What a
Well
shot.
smashed. Absolutely hammering the ground.
मंगळारा सांजे बेती फेरये कडेन घे म्हूण पेडवे पडले. फेरयेंतल्या लोकांची हो चान्स धरून मेळटा त्यो पिशव्यो आनी आयदनांनी पेडव्यांच्यो राशी एकठांय करूंक झुमड पडली. हो व्हिडिओ सध्या सोशल मिडियाचेरय बरोच व्हायरल जाता.
इतल्या मजगती पणजे युनिक जिमा लागसार जिळीतल्या एका हाराक साल्वार केलो.
खाल्ला ना कितें
आता बी कातले लोकांनी न्हू.
हा हा हा
तांकां रावपाक
जागो ना खंयच्या खंय
इतल्याने बुलेटीन हांगाच सोंपता. ह्यो खबरो तुमकां प्रुडंट व्हॉट्सॲप, ट्विटर, फेसबूक आनी प्रुडंट वेबसायटीचेर लायव्ह मेळटात. प्रुडंटाक फॉलो करीत रावात. नमस्कार.